Hello children, welcome to Brainbox. Today we will learn lesson on A and the. So first, can you name the vowels that we have in English? There are namely 5 vowels. So what are they? They are A, I, O, U, E. Again, A, I, O, U, E. So wherever you find these vowels, let's point them. So they are A, I, O, U, E. And yes, the panda tells a hi to you and the Tiggy is waiting to learn with you more. Now, can you name the consonants? So children, it is very easy to remember what are the consonants. So the vowels that you learned in the previous slide, leaving them all other alphabets are known as consonants. So can you name few? It's W, D, Q, X, V, G. So these consonants are 21 in number and there are 5 vowels. So that makes us 26 alphabets. Now let's learn where do we use a, an and the. So children, a very easy way to remember is once you see the word, you have to see the first alphabet of that word. If the alphabet starts with a vowel, then use an before it. If the word starts with a consonant, use a before it. And if it is something which you already know about, then you have to use the before it. So in the next slide, we will learn where to use an. So if you see, the first word is apple. Now apple starts with which alphabet? It starts with the vowel A. So you have to use an before it. Next, arrow. Again an apartment, an ant, an elevator. If you go to the last one, it's an honest error because H is silent here. So we are putting an because we are seeing O as the first alphabet. Next, where to use A? It's a cat, a dog. Can you tell me why? Yes, you are right, because the first alphabet of the word is a consonant, and before a consonant we have to use the alphabet A. So it's a building, a big orange, a pencil, a slide. So in this way you can easily find where to use an and where to use a. Now can you see we have now reading about where to use the. So if you already know about that thing, then you have to use the. Like, do you know where the sun is? Yes, you know. So it will be the sun. Do you know when the moon comes? Yes, it comes at night. So we will say the moon. Do you know the book which you see lying on the table? If you know, then it will be the book. And a very good example is like Nilesh is the tallest boy in the class. Next, we have a small worksheet for you. Can you please fill with this worksheet with A, an or the? So let's discuss the answers. It will be a cat, an umbrella, a radio, a bus, the sun, the earth, an orange, a chair, a car and an apple. So children, I hope you have learned by now where to use A, where to use an and where to use the. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Brainbox for more such knowledgeable videos.